Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the backup exists and getting access. Sign in to Icloud. With your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication. Once done, download contacts as a vCard and photos as full-resolution files. Make sure your Android is prepared. Enable USB file transfer or connect to the same Wi-Fi, and add the Google account you want to import into. These steps move raw data off Apple and create the files Android needs, so don't skip any verification before continuing. Once you have exported files, convert and import them correctly. Upload the vCard to Contacts. Google.com or import it directly on Android so contacts map to Google fields. This prevents duplicates. For photos, upload with Google Photos or copy folders over USB to preserve structure. If you need SMS or iMessage history, use an iCloud backup extractor to export messages to an Android-compatible XML format. Then use an import app on Android. These conversions preserve metadata and avoid mismatched formats during transfer. To finish, copy all converted files onto your Android and open the corresponding apps. Make Google Contacts the default account and confirm contact sync. Open Google Photos to verify thumbnails and originals. Reinstall any apps manually and sign in so app-specific data repopulates. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Check that the vCard conforms to standard format and that Google Sync is enabled. Sign out and back in if contacts or photos don't appear. Then re-import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.